In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment your products in Google Ads. Navigating through Google Ads can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, but breaking it down step by step will make it all much easier. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to head over to Google Ads. This is your homepage for managing your online campaigns where you can reach new customers and potentially boost your sales. You can access it directly by typing Google Ads into your search bar and clicking on the official site link that appears at the top. Once you're there, you'll notice the interface is designed for both clarity and functionality, making it easier to navigate various options and settings for your ad campaigns. Upon reaching the site, your next step is to sign in. Look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see the sign in button there. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Signing in will allow you to access your dashboard where you manage all your ad campaigns and see how they're performing. This is where all the magic happens, so it's important to get comfortable with logging in and out as you work. Once you've successfully signed in, you will be directed to the Google Ads homepage. This is your central hub, and from here you can track, analyze, and optimize your campaigns to better meet your business goals. Familiarize yourself with the layout. Notice the menu options on the left-hand side, which allow you to access different tools and reports. These are organized in a way to help you easily target specific aspects of your campaigns. Now let's make our way to the campaigns section. On the left-hand menu, click on campaigns. This area provides an overview of all your ongoing and past campaigns. It's an essential feature that helps you manage the performance of each one. By clicking campaigns, you'll open up detailed insights into how each of your products is performing, enabling you to fine-tune strategies as necessary. Here's where we get to the core of today's tutorial, segmenting your products. Within your campaigns view, you'll find an option labeled segment. Go ahead and click on that. Segmentation is a powerful way to analyze your data more effectively by breaking it down into categories that are significant for your business goals. This feature allows you to get insights into metrics by specific criteria such as time, conversions, or devices. Doing so will help you make informed decisions about where to allocate resources or refine your targeting strategies. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to segmenting products in Google Ads. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to monitor and optimize your advertising efforts. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these insights help you achieve greater success in your advertising campaigns. Happy advertising!